Yo, I'm in this wood. It's called Mandevu. Okay, Mandevu is the name of the wood. This wood is very known for furniture. Okay, let me just look at that furniture there and just ask the prices. Boss, how are you? I'm okay. I just wanted to ask. I like this. How much is it? How much is this? 6,000. Okay. So I'm just having a look. This and that are together? Ah, okay. So this is 6,000. And this one?
35.
Oh, 35. Okay. And then that one?
65.
Oh, and 65. Oh, that's the same set, that's it. Then the blue one at the back?
35.
Oh.
You don't want me to put much.
So the lowest is 35.
Yes.
Okay. No, at least now you've given me an idea. Yeah. You are, what's your name?
My name is
Isaac. You are the person who makes this. You're good, man. Yeah, respect, boy. You're good. Yeah, thank you very much. That boy makes that furniture, man, all by himself. It's very nice. You know, entrepreneur, man. Right here in Mandevu, man. That guy can export that furniture, man. That furniture can end up in other parts of the world. So if you are someone who is a business expert, I've hooked you up to someone. That brother, Isaac, is really good at making furniture. Okay? So, this place has a lot of creative people I've never seen. See all that there? All that furniture. It's being made by creative people. Okay? So let's rock on. Church of God there. This is another church. There's a lot of churches in this place, man. It means people worship a lot, you know, which is good actually. You know, you need to have spiritual orientation, whether you're Christian, you're Muslim. At least you need to have a spiritual orientation. I think I've liked those furnitures. Let me just see. How are you, madam? Can I just ask, how much are you selling this set? 3,700. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so all of them are 3,700? Ah, okay. No, because I'm just passing here and I'm just surprised at how creative you people are. Yeah. No, at least I have an idea now. You expect to see me back. I appreciate. So those furnitures are going at 3,700 kwacha. Okay? 3,700 kwacha. If you convert that to United States dollars, it's just about $200. Not even 200, maybe 190 somewhere. Wow. People are creative here, man. I think it's because they pray a lot, man. How can the place have so many churches? That is the Salvation Army Church. I've actually seen 2 Salvation Army churches in this road so far. Okay, Salvation Army is a very big church. It's a global church, man. Find it everywhere in the world. Wow. I'm just surprised at how many people make furniture and sell. Not importing and sell, but make. This is good, huh? Wait a minute, another church? That's the United Pentecostal Church. Okay. Okay, there are guys who are talking to other stuff like there. I can see a lot of second-hand clothes trading there. Sorry, my brother. These shops, are they going to be on rent?
They are going to be but the one I
Would you know the price? How can somebody get hold of the owner? The owner, when is he coming? Tomorrow? Ah, okay. Thank you very much. Okay, so if you are in the market for a shop, Mandevu has got you covered. Those shops over there, they're going to be on rent. The guys say they don't know, the owner is not there, so they can't say the prices. Okay? So, let's rock on. Boss, hii set ni zingapi? 4-5. Hapa kama ina yako first time. So imagine pamene nziva ma prices. Come. Nanga hii. Ah, okay boss. Oh. What boss? Akanitumia chawe? Oh. So ya tatu yalipata ngapi? Oh, 4-5. Nda kugula chawe ya vipi? 3-5 ya vipi chawe? Ah, okay, cool. I'm very shocked actually. It's like the main occupation of this part of Lusaka is just making furniture. You know? It's like that's the main occupation. Because even there they make furniture. Yeah. Wait, hii pasi ngapi? 3.5 eh? Okay. Yun sa pama 3.5. Oh. Okay. Those boys have beaten the price. Their starting price is 3,500. This is really nice. Ah ouais? Na chamo yako fe kabli ni
Muna ukaile.
okay. Nyoze ni zingapi? Wait. Hii ni zingapi? Huh? How much? 4.5. Okay. No, I'm just passing now, but I'll come back. Okay. Now open the fence.
Right.
Ah. I think it's safe to say the main occupation of most of the people in this part of Lusaka, Mandevu, is furniture manufacturing. You know, these people manufacture, they don't play games, which is a very good thing, you know. Very, very good. They are raising themselves up for export, earning, you know, they are raising themselves up to earn US dollars. You see what I'm saying? That's another church. Holy Family School. Oh, no, church is actually a school. Wow, it looks like a church, though. You see that? The cross and everything that makes it look like a church. Okay. Okay, so I think there are two things I've noticed in Mandevu. There's a lot of furniture manufacturers and there's a lot of churches. So if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you get informed each time I upload a new video. Okay. Woi, mfonseko. Hii pazi ngapi? Hii furniture. Kabe, because I'm not the buyer. The buyer is somewhere else. So I have to tell the buyer what is on the market and where to buy. 4.5. Ah, okay. So guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so that you get informed each time I upload a new video. Okay? Now this manufacturer here seems to have very different styles of furniture. Before I close this, let me just make you see what he has. Manufactured here in Mandevu. Okay? Mandevu is the place. Look at this. bucce. I must say that I'm very impressed. This furniture looks good. It's very, very nice. Boss, nizingati kablucha. Oh, the shop is there. Ah, okay. Okay, so let me just ask and I'll let you know. Okay? They have priced this at 13,000 kwacha. 13,000 kwacha, that is about $650. Yeah, about $650, but it's so good, man. Believe me. And then this one here. That one is 5,000. That one, he says it's 5,000 kwacha. Man, I think among all the manufacturers that I've seen in Mandevu, that is the best manufacturer. He doesn't follow styles from others. That is one thing. That is the best manufacturer, man. Because those settees that you're seeing there, the moment they end up in the central business district, their price is double. You see what I mean? You know, when you are in Africa, like Lusaka, you're gonna think you have to go where the rich people live in order to find the best brands. But no. Look at a place like Mandevu, where the poorest people live, but you find the best brands. People can think, people can manufacture, people can get the work done. I've just shown you that, guys. I'm not speaking theory. You've seen for yourself. Okay. Okay, so where am I? Okay, so I'm gonna head this direction. Okay, but Mandevu is drastic in a class of its own, guys. Yo, comment down below. Hit me with a comment, alright? Schaffen Sie unten einen Kommentar für mich. Okay? I'm out of here, guys. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, share these videos. Until next time, be später.